Wait, did you know iOS 26 has a hidden iPhone trick that lets you create reminders in 2 seconds without opening the app? This iPhone hidden feature is so easy, yet 99% of iPhone users have no idea it even exists. I'm about to show you this iOS 26 new feature in iPhone tips that will completely change how productive you are. Trust me, this iPhone trick will blow your mind. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to use this iPhone hidden feature step by step. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Look for the Reminders control icon. Tap the Reminders icon to open the quick menu. Enter your reminder text like call mom or buy groceries. Choose a time. In 5 minutes, this evening, tomorrow, or custom time. You can also pick one of the suggested times below. Tap the green check mark to save the reminder.